So let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum is right now sitting at 2464 and Ethereum has lost the 2500 area. Now this makes our life difficult because we had one candle. Let me zoom in so you could see it easily. Each candle is 1 day. Just a second. This one candle has closed, where the hell did it close? It has closed below it, below 2500. Now you have a second candle that is of course below it, but this is our running candle. It's been only few hours. It has, I don't know, 15 hours to close. It closes on UTC time right now. What the hell is the time in UTC? Where the hell did it go? UTC, it's 8 a.m. in UTC, so you have plenty of time for the closing. So if the second candle also closes below the area of 2500 as discussed yesterday, because we talked about 2500 and how important it is, and so of course it has started closing below it already. If it doesn't close above 2500 and we get a second candle below it too, then we have a confirmation on a downward journey. Now the good part is that as Ethereum has dramatically pumped in 3 days, it's always like this. It takes 3 days to go up and then it takes weeks to go down, which is the general horrible experience when it comes to coins. So as it has created such a massive journey going up from 1800 to 2600, similarly, when we are dropping, we are not going to just drop from 2500 straight to 1800. We are going to have our sweet journey, and 1800 is not our support area anyway. That's 1750. So when we drop from 2500, our first reaction is going to be at 2200. That is going to be our first level of testing that we would like Ethereum to test. As long as it doesn't go below the area of 2200, we would still expect it to be on a upward journey, and this is how visually it would look like when it would drop towards 2200. It is pretty much a decent drop. We have a double top here as well if you look at it on 4 hours, but it is a small structure, so I'm not that much bothered with it. But closing second candle below 2500 would indicate that the probability of dropping towards 2200 are now 70%, and that's a higher probability, so I'll be leaning towards the downward journey. But of course I need a second candle closing, which is right now in action, and if we don't get it, then of course after 2500 our eyes are always going to be on the $3000, and that's Ethereum for you. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.